Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 6 that is in need of a screen replacement. As you can see, there's a crack on the corner right here. So let's get to it. So with Google Pixel smartphones, when you replace the screen, you just remove the front display first. There's no need to remove the back cover because you can't remove that one. That's just a single piece of aluminum. And right here, we're gonna pry it off the device. There's some adhesives and clips. So we have to be very careful since the screen is already damaged and it is glass, so it can cut you. Wear gloves if possible. So right here, we're gonna just slowly remove it. There's still adhesives on the side, and now it's off. But don't yank it out forcibly. There's a retaining bracket here. You have to unscrew this one and remove it so that we can detach the flex cable of the display. Slowly, you have to pry it off, and then the old display is out. So that's how easy it is to replace the screen on a Google Pixel smartphone. So we're just gonna try this replacement display here. Same color. It's black. And then we're just gonna try to turn this on before we go any further. So there seems to be a problem. We have to charge this first. Most often, smartphones that has been damaged for many days, it's not been charged. And this is a case for this one as well. So 0% battery, so we have to wait for a while so we can confirm that it's working, and it is working. We also inspect if the boot sequence is correct, if it's booting up normally or not. So right here, we just test the buttons, cameras, and they're all fine. So we're just gonna remove it here. We haven't put the adhesives, the fresh adhesives, so we're gonna remove this for now and clean off the edges. So this is the damaged part. I'm just gonna scrape the old adhesive so we can make a good fit for the replacement display, because the old adhesives can be very thick, and when you apply a fresh liquid glue over it, it can be is thicker, which could result to improper fit for the replacement display. So we're just gonna thoroughly clean this one and then put our liquid glue all over it, just on the side, not on the components. So that is good, ready to go. We have removed the plastic underneath the replacement display. Slowly push it in, the connector, put back the retaining bracket and screw it in just to secure the connector, and then press the replacement display in. And that's how easy it is to replace a screen on a Google Pixel 6. If you want to try this, you can do so, but if you're not adamant that if you're not sure that you can perform this well, you can take it to a technician or on Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Have David fix it for you. Just clean this one up, final inspection, and it's gonna be ready for the customer. So this is done. Thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.